I'm Derek Massing with Forest River, and I'm here today to introduce to you the 19MBH IBEX. Up front on the 19MBH IBEX, we find a great list of outside features. The 60-inch panoramic window gives you a great view from inside and also lets in a lot of natural daylight. We've got our pet leash connector, we've got a power tongue jack, LP tank up front, as well as a 12-volt battery disconnect switch. Along with that, we also have our 7-way cord keeper. What's impressive about the 19MBH IBEX is the features and amenities and size. At 24 feet, 4 inches long, and just under 4,200 pounds, we're going to see a tremendous amount of both storage and livable space, despite the fact that we're in a no-slide unit. Up front, we find a full pass-through storage that allows us to take all of our camping essentials. Along with that, we find the aluminum construction. In fact, this is a 5-side aluminum constructed unit, meaning you've got a lightweight, premium constructed travel trailer. Along with that, we've got laminated sidewalls, rear wall, front wall, and where applicable, a slide box. And all those features are going to be laminated with a material called Asdel. Asdel is material that's not affected negatively by water, so it doesn't swell, rot, or break down. What's going to make it so easy to find your perfect IBEX is the fact that so many things come standard. In fact, the only option on an IBEX is your outside bush kitchen. That's going to include your outside griddle, your prep station, your high pressure spray port, and your LP quick connect. With IBEX, you can go more places. With 15-inch aluminum wheels with all-terrain tires, all sitting on a torsion axle suspension, the ride and towability comfort with the IBEX is second to none. To add to the impressive storage and the full pass-through we find up front, in the rear we find our adventure door hides another additional storage space in the back. What's great about this is put all your outside gear here. When you get to your campsite, simply unlatch the bottom bunk, fold it down, and that exposes your second sleeping space in the back. The outside experience is made complete with a full-length 14-foot power awning with LED light strip. Along with that, you also have the outside porch light that has a bright white LED function or a soft yellow, depending on your needs. Even as we come around the back of the IBEX, we continue to find great customer convenience features. Every unit's going to come with a spare tire. This is the exact all-terrain tire that you find on the rest of the unit. You're also going to have a backup camera prep, and you're going to have a ladder that goes to a fully walkable roof. This roof's going to have a 500-pound limit. Now, where that limit comes into play is the fact that every unit's going to come standard with Rhino Rack RVT tracks, which means your unit is prepped to take any of Rhino Rack's hundreds of storage solutions. So whether it be cargo, ski racks, kayak racks, or many of the other great solutions that Rhino offers, the possibilities are endless. On the 19MBH IBEX, we find 30-gallon fresh, black, and gray water tanks. Along with that, a completely enclosed underbelly and heat pads on each of those tanks allows you to go more places. Lastly, we notice our termination system is also enclosed, further protecting your plumbing system from the elements. Lastly, cleanup is easy with a black tank flush to help clean out that black tank at the end of a trip. Now found on all IBEXs are going to be your MORride solid stance step. Despite the fact that the 19MBH is under 25 feet and has no slide out, we still find no compromise in the space for sleeping and storage. We have a true 60 by 80 queen residential size bed. Along with that, we find wardrobes on both sides and a nightstand on both sides. Along with that, USBs and 110 outlets found on both sides. After a comfortable night of sleep, the Murphy bed easily folds up to expose additional seating with our couch. Along with that, we've got great entertainment with a 32-inch 12-volt TV. That means even when you're disconnected from shoreline power, we can still operate the TV. We know with the IBEX, so many of our customers are going to have fun chasing the sun. When you get to those hotter destinations, the 15K standard upgraded air conditioner will help keep you cool. In an IBEX, mealtime is a breeze. With a deep stainless steel sink, premium residential faucet, you've got an opportunity to clean those larger plates and dishes easily. A 2-burner flush mount cooktop, convection microwave, a 2-way double door 6 cubic foot refrigerator means you've got plenty of food storage. At the end of mealtime, cleanup is a breeze. A 1-piece countertop is easy to wipe down, and for any crumbs you've put down on the floor, our central vac system found in every IBEX floor plan means you simply kick the plate up, sweep everything in, and you're done. To go along with the couch up front, we find additional seating with our 2-person dinette, so we can comfortably fit 4 people inside during mealtime. What makes the IBEX even more flexible in its use is the fact that we've got 300-pound bunk capacities, meaning whether you're taking friends, family, or just the kids, you're going to have plenty of capacity and sleeping space for the whole family. Though our 19MBH is under 25 feet, there's no compromise in the bathroom area. Plenty of space that the whole family can comfortably get in and out, a full-size shower with a 1-piece surround, and plenty of storage for all the cosmetics, along with a max air fan, make the 19MBH bathroom quite impressive. Thanks for visiting me today on the tour of the 19MBH IBEX. For more information, visit forestriverinc.com. IBEX or visit your local IBEX dealer.